I am Love Diamond Lee. Today we're going to do some post-recovery stretches featuring the sounds of the ocean. Let's get into it. Okay, we're going to head down on the mat. You're going to drop down to your knees. Place your hands in front of you and then lower your belly to the mat. Lift your head up to the sky and hold it here. Make sure you're breathing and relaxing your muscles. Great job. From here, we're going to sit all the way back, have our butt go in between our feet. Head down on the mat. Hold it here, elongate those arms, and breathe. Great job. Now we're gonna sit up, go on all fours. I want you to inhale and then exhale. On the next inhale, you're gonna lift your head up and do a cat-cow. So inhale, arch that back, and then exhale on the down. Curl your back like a cat as far as it can go. Hold it. Now release it. Good job. Hold that head high to the sun. Now we're gonna go down. Exhale. Curl that back up. And then one more time, inhale to the sun. Wow, exhale. Good job. We're gonna sit down on our butts now. Cross your legs. I want you to bring those arms up. Lean over to your left. And hold it here. This is great for your sides, especially if you did an upper body workout. Good job, back up to center. Then we're gonna lean to the right. Stretch as far as you can. I'm a little tight today, so if you can't go that far, it's okay. Then back up to center. Great job. Now we're gonna pivot. Have your left knee bent, your right leg straight. You wanna sit your body as much as you can into it. If you can't go far, that's okay. And we're just gonna hold it. Now lean forward. This is just gonna give you a deeper stretch in those hamstrings, the back of your thigh. Good job. All right, we're gonna lean up. Now rotate to the other leg. Now if you want to, you can have your legs straight out, but this is actually a deeper stretch when it's curved. It's great for people who want to increase their flexibility. Just hold it here. Good job. And you're gonna lean forward now. I want you to get up in a lunge. I'm gonna drop from here. Now, if this is too much for you, you can just hold it here, right here. Drop that knee. But if this is fine, I really want you to try your best to hold it. We're just gonna be here for 10 seconds. Good job. Go ahead and drop it. Put your hands to the side and hold it here for 10 seconds. Great job. Now we're gonna do the other side. Come on up and hold it. Now go ahead and drop that knee. Place your hands on your other side. Great job. Now I want you to pull yourself back, lift that heel up, and shake that foot right to left. Now just hold it straight, lean your head down to your knee. Great job. Gonna do the other side. Ah! Go ahead and drop that leg and turn. This is great for opening your hips. Now drop your head down to that knee and hold it here. Good job. Okay, now I want you to stand. The wind is taking it, honey. It's taking it. All right, you're gonna drop your hands down. Turn your feet outward that way. Hold your hands in your hip, and then push them back as much as you can and turn your body. Good job. Now we're gonna do the other side. Great. Now I want you to bring your hands together. Go up straight. Oh! And then go back down. And then back up straight. Back down. Back up straight. And voila. Thanks so much for joining me on this quick post-workout stretch. I will see you next time. Bye now.